Hi, this is Greg Gillespie from Web10min.com, designer of over 250 WordPress websites. I've been online for 12 years now, building websites for people just like you, many of whom have paid me thousands of dollars, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars, to design and build their websites. And today, I've got some really exciting news. If you're wanting to learn how to create a website for your business, and you don't feel like handing over thousands of dollars to a web designer like me, then what I'm about to show you in the next 10 minutes should get you very excited. I'm going to show you how to save thousands of dollars and get a really professional website design for free. Firstly, before we dive right in, you need to understand that there are 3 components you need to put in place in order to create your website. The website design and building component is normally the most expensive part, but I'm going to show you how to get this part done for free. And I'm also going to show you how to get a discount on the other 2 parts by choosing the best service providers in the industry, companies I have personally been using for years now. So not only will you save money, but you will also get peace of mind knowing you are going with the best providers in the game. And here's the best part. I'm going to explain it all for free, step by step, all in under 10 minutes. Ready? Let's get started. Okay, so here we are at web10min.com/GoDaddy. I'm going to help you save 36% off your domain registration and your hosting. I'm going to type in my domain name now and click the Go button to see if it's available. Excellent news, it's available. I'm going to click Continue to Cart. Now I'm going to click Keep Shopping and add in website hosting by clicking the banner at the top. If you scroll down, you'll see that the deluxe package is the best value by far. For around $6 a month, it allows you to have unlimited websites on one account. So I'm going to click Add to Cart. As you can see, I've saved 36% off my bill, and now I'm going to continue to the checkout. When I fill out the details, I'm going to keep my password in a text file off the screen. I'm going to continue and place my order. And then I'm going to click on Set Up Hosting. The email that comes will also have my customer number. I'm going to paste that in. Now I'm going to paste in the password that I stored in the text file. Clicking Set Up Account. I'm now going to create an FTP username and password here and click the Finish button. GoDaddy will then send me an email that looks like this when everything's set up, and then I'm going to click on Login. My details will be stored from my last login, and I'm going to click on my domain name there. Now I'm going to install WordPress by clicking the button at the top right. I'm going to create an admin username and a password which I'll confirm and click OK. By clicking the Manage WordPress, I can see that it's now complete, and clicking Login, I'm now logging into the back end of the WordPress website. And here's my site. If I click my website at the top left there, you can see what it looks like straight out of the box. It comes with the standard template, but we're going to do something about making that look a whole lot better. Let's click the Go Back button, go back to the dashboard, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some pages in by going to the Pages menu on the left and clicking Add New. The first page I'm going to create is an About Us page. I've got some text I've stored in a text file off screen there. I'm going to copy and paste that over and simply paste that in and click Publish. And there's my page made. I'm going to go ahead and do this for the rest of the pages that I'm going to make up. Some I won't be putting any copy in, others like the shipping one I'll also be putting copy in right now, and then I'll be publishing that page. Adding new again, I'm going to create a contact page which I'll leave blank for now. I'm also going to add in a products page, publish that. I'm going to add in a home page, and I'm going to publish that blank just for now. Then I'm going to go to the settings menu and go down to reading. So I want to establish my home page. Clicking static and selecting home and saving the changes. Now I'm going to go to the appearance and themes menu. Clicking on install themes, I'm going to upload a theme. I'm going to choose a file that I've got which is a theme which I'm going to load and activate. And as you can see, there's my new theme. Don't worry, I will be giving you a link to these types of themes that you can get at the end of this video. Now let's take a look by clicking my website and see that the theme has changed and things are looking a lot different. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to modify this logo at the top. So in order to do that, we've got to make sure we see what the name of the theme is here. Current theme, Universal Lil Pinky. Now click back to the GoDaddy tab and I'm going to click on the Upload Files button on the right there. Now on the left hand menu I'm going to navigate to WP Content. I'm going to click on Themes. When that loads I'll click on Universal Lil Pinky. Then I'm going to click on the Images folder. What I'm going to do is locate a file called header object PNG. Now I've prepared one in advance that will be replacing this, so first I need to delete this one. Now that it's gone, I'm going to click Upload and locate the file that I've created which will replace that logo. I'll click OK and that file will reload. I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on my website, and as the page reloads you'll see that now I've got my custom logo in there, looking pretty good. I want to change the My Website, just another website information on the left there. So I'm going to come back to Settings, General, and the site title I'm going to make a bit more appropriate and call it Baby Bottles and Pacifiers. The tagline will also match. Once I've done that, I'm going to click Save Changes. Now I'm going to add in some images by going to the Media Library, Add New. I'm going to select some files that I've prepared in advance, all except those two there, and I'm going to click the OK button to upload those. They will come in, and then once they're there I'm simply going to click the Save All Changes button to store them in my library. Okay, let's go back to the Pages menu to All Pages. I'm going to click on the Products page and click Edit. Now I'm going to paste in some content. I'm going to go back to my text file. I'm going to select the text for the Products page, and then making sure that I got the cursor right next to the first word, I will click on the icon there to add some images, and then I'm going to scroll down and simply click on Left Full Size Insert, and then I'm going to click the Update button on the page. Let's take a look and see how that looks now. Okay, things are starting to shape up. I've got a product image and my text and my custom logo. Let's go back, and now we're actually going to change that widgets on the right hand side there. This is the primary widget area and it comes with some stock standard inclusions which you saw a moment ago. Pretty ugly. Let's get rid of them. Once they're all gone, I'm going to put in some that are custom text object widgets which I've prepared in advance. I'm going to slot those in over there, and simply once they're there it's automatically saved. I'm going to go back, I'm going to click on my site and see that now those ugly things in the sidebar are gone. I've got my lovely images there. If I click the Products page, I can see my site starting to take real good shape. Now I want to get rid of that Leave a Reply thing at the bottom, so let's go back, and this can be done by installing plugins. And I've already installed one called No Comments on Pages, but for now what we're going to do is search for one called Promotion Slider. This is going to allow us to have a really slick looking home page. So there it is right at the top. I'm simply going to click Install Now. Click the OK button and activate. Once that loads, I now have promotions on the left hand menu. I'm going to click on Add New Promotion. First thing I'm going to do is click Add New Category on the right hand side. I'm going to call this Home Slider and then click Add New Category. The next thing I'm going to do, leaving the page blank, what I'm going to include is setting the featured image. This is going to come from an image I uploaded just a moment ago from my media library. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to come down to slider 1. I'm going to open it up and click on not insert into post but use as featured image. That will take a moment to load. Then I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it slider 1, and after I've done that I'm going to click publish. I'm going to go ahead and do this now for another 3 times, so that I'll have 4 images that will slide past the viewer on the home page. I'm going to speed this up so You've seen me do it once, you don't need to have this drag out as I do it in real time again. So now we've got 4 sliders there. I'm simply going to go and copy a little bit of code, which is called a shortcode, and I'm going to go and put that on my home page and select one column for the template and publish and update that page. As you can see, I've now got a very slick looking home page. What I want to do now is add in some images underneath these sliding images, and I'm going to do that by clicking Edit Page. I've got 1 minute to go. I'm going to carriage return below that shortcode. I'm going to go to my media library. I'm going to filter the media by typing in home, and then I'm going to click on show that image there and making sure to click insert into post. Simply without clicking again, I'm going to click the upload insert button again, filtering down with the word home. I'm going to put in the next image by clicking show and insert into post. 25 seconds left. I'm going to do that again, and with the pre-prepared image that I have, filtering down to home to find it quickly, I'm going to put the boy's bottle in there, insert into post, and then simply I'm going to update the page and see how we're looking. 3, 2, 1. There we have it. In 10 minutes we have a professional looking website all done with WordPress, a free website making system. There's my product page, which I can add and complete with buttons to purchase the product. There's my about page, which explains how I make money from this website. There's my shipping details. And if we go back to the home page, you can see we've got a very professional looking website that we can start making money with, all shown and demonstrated here in under 10 minutes. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button below, just there, and to be notified when we release more cool videos like this one, just click the subscribe button up there. Also, if you want some great free resources like the WordPress themes I mentioned in this video, also 10 great WordPress plugins, in fact my personal top 10 that will get your site in great shape, and more free Facebook only videos, go to facebook.com/web10min and like our page to gain access. If you have any questions, just insert a comment below this video and I'll answer them there. But firstly, to get your new website started, get going over to web10min.com/GoDaddy. There should be a link below this video that will take you straight there. You can come back to watch this video as many times as you need to make sure you've got it all. Good luck with your new WordPress website. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.